Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will understand what is a API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is act like a bridge between different applications. Like if one application want to communicate or share their resources or their functionality to another application, then they use APIs to share their functionality or communication. For example, you can think like a food delivery app. So when you open that food delivery app, you can think like a Domino's. So when you request something, your request firstly go to the API gateway. API gateway layer will be validate and authenticate your request and then route your request to the particular microservices. These all are microservices. Different microservices can be in a one applications. Okay. So the API gateway will be basically validate your request and authenticate means that your request is valid or not for that application. For example, you are just requesting for a pizza. So yes, it is valid. So your request will be route that microservices. For example, there is a one microservices pizza is there. So your request will be route to these microservices. Okay, and then these microservices basically communicate with the database. There is a DB database you can use, Postgres, Cassandra, whatever. This is a database. So these microservices fetch the data from the database and return to the API layer. Return it to the API layer and the API layer will be return the response to the user. So this is a front end. Like this is the front end area, and after that everything is happen in backend. So the API will show you the response on your screen. So this is the API layer. This is the work of API layer. I hope you understand what is the API gateway. API gateway basically return the response to the client applications. This API gateway is mostly used in microservices architecture because like if there is a multiple microservices, then it's easy to communicate. There is a pizza, there is a cold drink request, there is cheese pizza, there is a multiple microservices. So the if the user request, then the API gateway will be route the request to the particular microservices. So it helps to make your application scalable and loosely coupled. So that's why we use API gateway. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you for watching my video.